What's up everyone, my name is Meow Meow and welcome to the Meow Meow Show. This is a place where I document all my adventures and travels, which started all the way from back in Amsterdam and now has taken me to Jamaica not just once, but 6 times. So my entire journey from Amsterdam to upstate New York, to Florida, to New York City, to Las Vegas, to Arizona, to Jamaica, it's all on this channel. And I just want to sit down and explain everything real quick. Today I want to share a story that's deeply personal to me. A story of transformation, resilience, and finding my true passion after a life-changing accident. 9 months ago, and in that exact same spot.
At the bottom, here's your nose, it's the cerebellum, here are your both eyes. You go further up, you can see an area here. It's too wide, so that's a little bit of blood or bruising. Further up, there's some blood here too.
And after I put that accident story on the internet, all the feedback and responses I was getting from people was just blowing my mind, really, because I just didn't think I was going to get that much support and love from people I don't even know. One thing that happened during my recovery was I went way back inside and reignited that creativity. I didn't let that accident stop me. I still went outside and created memories that last a lifetime. It was a way for me to fight through that depression and just keep me positively uplifted by creating content that other people are enjoying watching. So that's what sparked this whole content creator and starting to travel and starting to post everything, because I realized that we only have this one life to live. For those that have been following for a while, you guys know that I've been posting all of my travels. What started in Amsterdam took us to the States.
You guys, yeah, that's what I do, man. I've never seen you before. I always want to do that. Come on.
If you have the desire to do it, man, just start. You gotta start, especially if you start young, man. You'll never know. Just don't let anybody tell you can't do it, man. Just stick to it, and your dream will come reality, man. And took us to Florida. Took us to Jamaica. Peace out, mother. Took us to Arizona. Took us to Vegas. Let me just pause this real quick and let you guys know that we are currently higher than the Eiffel Tower. We are on top of the world. Literally. Gets us to New York. Meow meow! Meow, meow! Why? Because I know that when you reach bottom, sometimes you just need that little inspirational boost, just kind of push you back into where you're going. And I'm trying to be exactly that for anyone out there.
Hell is a conquer hell. One life and living a better person in reality.
Yes.
Not to seek hell.
Yes.
So the paragraph is to overcome it.
Although everybody was against me back then, I decided I'm going with this. I felt like I had stories to share, and that's what I've been doing from everywhere.
Honestly, guys, this journey just keeps getting more and more crazy. Jamaica, and now we have food for the vlog. Meow 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 meow.
So through the Meow Meow Show, I found a new purpose. I connected with people from all over the world, sharing not just my travels, but my belief in resiliency, positivity, and the power of believing in oneself, believing in whatever you want to create, you can manifest, even when others doubt you and don't believe you or call you crazy. Just do it, because it's all about capturing those moments that last a lifetime. And being able to go back and show the world, or tell somebody your story and show them the story, because they don't believe the story, but you have the video. That feeling is insane. And the things that I've experienced, especially in Jamaica,
this is my first time on a motorcycle in Jamaica.
I just want to be able to show the world that no matter what challenges we face, there's always a way to turn them into something amazing. You just have to have that belief, that willpower, and that, my friends, will just open doors.
In the beginning, when you want to go into the unknown, there's a lot of pressure. There's a lot of outside pressure from everyone, from yourself, from everybody around you. But that's all bullshit.
And if my journey can inspire even one person to pursue their passion, to overcome their fears.
The trick is, you can't let your mind play tricks with you, so you just gotta take a step back and then just kind of walk off.
Nice.
To believe in themselves.
We jump
And hand down.
Jump to success. Yeah, man. Jump to happiness. One love.
Yeah, man.
Then every single moment has been worth it.
Cycling in Amsterdam, swinging from a vine in Jamaica. Stop out. Yep. Oh, it's breaking! Best run the island. Off the burning. Just enjoy it.
Is this purple
Meow,
water?
meow, meow.
You know?
Remember, guys, the adventure just beginning.
You only live once, motherfucker!